Everyone, namaskara, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's yet another Sunday and today is the day where I have to be a full-blown adult and clean the house, organize the house. It is a mess, so I just figured let me vlog some of it for you. I actually was a kid yesterday because I went to premium outlets and I have filmed haul. Like you guys would have already seen the haul probably. So I have stuff everywhere. I have stuff everywhere in the house, so I just have to set it up. It's like 11:20 on a Sunday morning. It's pretty gloomy though, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to like put some music and I'm going to start cleaning and I'm going to start organizing. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, so that I am in a good mental space for Monday and everything is not just like everywhere. That is my plan. So let's begin. So I just cleaned the vacuum cleaner because it's ready to go whenever I'm done. I always wear a mask when I'm cleaning because I have dust allergy. And then I'm here in the closet. There are so many boxes here. I just ordered an organizer. I'm gonna take all the warranty manuals out of all of those and just put it in that. It's just taking up so much space. Like, this is basically my closet. Like all that is boxes, so many boxes. I just want to get rid of all these boxes and put all the warranty and just organize this a bit better, but that's not what I'm going to do now. I actually have this whole, oh, this is my mirror, hello. So I actually have this whole thing here which is just an absolute mess, so I'm gonna organize this. So all this whole section is just going to be makeup, and then this whole section is just going to be my clothes, and I'm going to organize some of that as well. So this is the before, this is the after. I still have this whole space that I need to figure out what to put, and I just found so much makeup that I should be getting rid of because this is like at least 3 years old. So I have like my daily clothes there. I'll probably keep like my inners or my gym clothes and or both here because I think it'll fit. Here's all my makeup, skincare, nails, jewelry kind of things. This is where my mirror is, and I have perfume collection that should be coming in soon, like a sampler set which I can keep there. So this is a lot more organized and a lot more functional now. I did a little bit of the closet. It's clean, but I actually have to unpack my you guys can't even see me. I actually have to unpack my winter suitcase and winter box, which I have it there, but I'm not going to do it right away because I have to go to the Indian store and you know, sort of refresh my groceries. Can I talk? I just had lunch because I was super hungry, and let me quickly show you guys the closet right now. So you guys already saw this, and then I will keep that in the box, but this had all my gym clothes, so I have all of this section empty and free now, which I'm so excited about. And at the same time, I have this thing here where I'm just throwing all the stuff that I'm getting rid of. I washed my makeup brushes. I still have to clean the mirror, but that will be for later. But for the time being, I have to clean the kitchen because it is so messy. There's like things everywhere. I've kept all of this here because I'm going to load it up in the dishwasher and then quickly just clean this up. So yeah, let us begin the time lapse. tired already, and it's just been half a day. I still have so much to do. Kitchen's done, part of the closet is done, but that has also given me enough space to basically get rid of all of these covers that I got from premium shopping yesterday, from the Black Friday shopping. I get to put everything in place. I have to unbox my winter package today. I got it when I moved, like 3 weeks after I moved, but I still didn't unbox it because it was summer and I'm like, I don't need my winter coat. But now it has started snowing, so I definitely need to get that out. I haven't taken a shower to wash my hair, but I also have to go to the Indian store. This is what my Sundays look like, guys. Almost every Sunday this is what I do. Like, there's some kind of cleaning, organization, some shit going on, and then I get into it, and then I just start organizing everything else, and I'm just like, oh, why couldn't I just sit on the couch and watch a couple of movies on Netflix? Why didn't I just like leave it? But I also can't live in a messy house. It drives me crazy, so I have to keep cleaning it like every week, and I don't get to do it during the week. Anyways, I am just going to quickly go to the Indian store in some time. It's actually 2. I want to go quickly because it's like, let me show you outside. It is so gloomy outside. It was snowing sometime before, so I want to go, and the Indian store is like right by my house, but I want to go before it gets dark. I want to go before like 4 p.m. because if it is cloudy, then actually by 3:34 it gets like, it's like midnight. So I want to get that done. So I'm just gonna go quickly. I don't feel like going. I just feel like putting on like my softy blanket and sleeping, but I should go. Let me go get some like stuff, and I'll be back, and then we'll continue this Sunday reset journey. I came back from the Indian store. I washed my hair and I was just like watching Netflix because I didn't feel like doing anything. But I'm gonna cook now, and then I'm gonna put away all these things. I still haven't done that, but I'm gonna cook and I'm gonna let it stay warm, and then I'm gonna put away all this stuff. So let's go. Okay, dinner is done. I put all the stuff away. Yay, there's nothing here. Guys, the last step for today's routine is turning on my vacuum cleaner. It's gonna go around the house and it's gonna clean while I sit back and enjoy Netflix. Yeah, if you can hear that, that is my Ziggy going around cleaning the house. I'm gonna sit back, relax, watch Netflix like I said, but I may do my nails, I may not do my nails, it depends. But this is pretty much what I do as part of my Sunday reset. So then Monday everything is like clean, nice, back in place. The house is tidy because it will get messy once the week begins. Oh my god, I thought it was coming below my couch. But yeah, this is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys like my Sunday reset video. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and all that jazz. I will see you in the next one. Bye.